Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Cook with me this delicious party jollof rice. Here is my ingredients: bell peppers, scotch bonnet, tomato, ginger and garlic and onions. So here is the protein we'll be using: chicken, well boiled, and this is my rice. You can use any rice of your choice, basmati rice, any rice at all. So I'll be using soya paste. We have different brands, but I prefer soya paste. Here is my well blended pepper. So I've already have oil inside my pot. Now add in my onions, allow that to fry for like 2 minutes. Now that is time going in. Put in curry. When you do this to your stew base, jollof rice base, oh my god, the aroma is everywhere. So I'll add in my paste. I'll allow my paste to fry until that tomato paste taste is no longer there. When you taste it, you feel the sweetness. Allow it to fry very well, but please don't go far away, not it will burn. Continue stirring. So now I'm satisfied with the frying, so I'll be adding in my pepper mix. So mix it together and allow it to fry very well. It will not take much time because I already boiled my pepper mix. So you can see it's changing color. When you see oil on top, that means everything is well fried. So the next thing that will be going into our pot is our chicken stock. So I'll add in water that can cook the rice, not too much water so that the rice will not be soggy. I'll add in my stock cube and my Benny spice. Here I'll be tasting to see if there is any adjustment to be made. I'm satisfied with the taste, so my rice will be going in. My chicken stock is already sweet, so I don't need much to put inside again. So I'll mix everything to combine. So I'm adding another boiled water. So guys, I'm using boiled water, but if your water is not hot, you allow it to boil before putting in your rice. So I'll be adding in the bay leaf and pinch of salt. So we'll cover it and allow it to cook. So this is our delicious party jollof rice. Here I'll be adding in vegetable. You can add any vegetable of your choice, or you leave it like that. But here I'm adding carrot and green beans to give us that gorgeous color. So can you see our rice? So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for always being there. To our returning subscriber, I can't stop thanking you always. Thank you. If you are new here and you have watched to this extent, you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Subscription is free. Support this channel, please. Subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, and share this video to your family and friends, because I believe there's many jollof rice recipe on the internet, but I believe someone will learn one or two from this my own. Please share the video, share and subscribe. Thank you all for always being there. I can't stop thanking you. Bye. See you all in my next video.